partnerships of the NATO. Hundreds of soldiers in military uniform stand behind a line of a NATO flag. Partnership for Peace conducts multinational military exercises like Cooperative Anchors Archer, which took place in the Tbilisi in the July 2007 with the 500 servicemen from the four NATO members, 8 PFP members, and the Jordan, a Mediterranean dialogue participant. The Partnership for Peace program was established in 1994 and based on an individual bilateral relationship between each partner country and NATO. Each country may choose the extent of its participation. Member includes all current and former members of the Commonwealth of Independent States. The Euro-Atlantic Partnership Council was first established on 29 May 1997 and is a forum for regular coordination, consultation, and dialogues between all 50 participants. The PFP program is considered the operational wing of the Euro-Atlantic Partnership. Other third countries also have been contacted for participation in some activities of the PFP framework, such as Afghanistan. The European Union signed a comprehensive package of the arrangement with the NATO under the Berlin Plus Agreement on 16 December 2002. With this agreement, the European Union also was given the possibility of using NATO assets in case it wanted to act independently in an international crisis on the condition that NATO itself did not want to act. The so-called right of first refusal. For example, Article 42(7) of the 1992 Treaty of Lisbon specifies that if a member state is in the victim of armed aggression on its territory, the other member states shall have toward it an obligation of aid and the assistance by all the means in their power. The treaty applies globally to specified territory, whereas NATO is restricted under its Article 6 to operation north of the Tropic of Cancer, and it provides a double framework for the European Union countries that are also linked with the PFP program. Additionally, NATO cooperates and discusses its activities with the numerous other non-Atlantic members. The Mediterranean Dialogue was established in 1994 to coordinate in a similar way with Israel and countries in North Africa. The Istanbul Cooperation Initiative was announced in 2004 as a dialogue forum for the Middle East. Along the same lines as the Mediterranean Dialogue, the four participants are also linked through the Gulf Cooperation Council. In June 2018, Qatar expressed its wish to join NATO. However, NATO declined membership, stating that only additional European countries could join. According to the Article 10 of the NATO's founding treaty, Qatar and NATO have previously signed a security agreement together in January 2018. Political dialogue with Japan began in 1990, and since then the alliance has gradually increased its contact with the countries that do not form part of any of these cooperation initiatives. In 1988, NATO established a set of general guidelines that do not allow for a formal institutionalization of relations but reflect the alliance's desire to increase cooperation. Following extensive debates, the term contract countries was agreed by the alliance in 2000. By 2012, the alliance had broadened this group, which meet in to discuss the issues such as counter-piracy and technology exchange under the name partner across the globe or a global partner. Australia and New Zealand, both contact countries, are also members of the ASEAN CQUS strategic alliances, and similarly regional or bilateral agreements between the contact countries and the NATO members also add cooperation. NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg stated that the NATO needs to address the rise of China by closely cooperating with the Australia, New Zealand, Japan, South Korea, and Colombia is the NATO's latest partner, and Colombia has access to the fully range of the cooperative activities NATO offers to partner, Colombia became the first and only Latin America country to cooperate with NATO.